Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Admob with your Google account and immediately adding your first app so you can fetch Ad Unit ID. Once done, choose whether to register an existing published app or create a stub for an unpublished package. This determines testing behavior. Make sure to link your AdSense or payments profile now so earnings, tax forms, and country settings are ready. Otherwise, monetization pauses and payouts get delayed. This upfront linking avoids future verification stops and speeds ad serving activation. You now integrate the Google Mobile Ads SDK into your app and create ad units in Admob, banner, interstitial, rewarded, because Ad Unit ID are what your code requests. Once the SDK is added via Gradle or Cocoa Pods, initialize it early in app startup to avoid delayed ad requests. Next, paste the Ad Unit ID into your ad view code and enable Test Device ID so you don't violate policy during development. If using multiple networks, set up mediation adapters and test each adapter chain. You finish by switching from test ads to live Ad Unit ID and publishing your build. Then monitor revenue metrics like RPM and CTR in Admob to evaluate performance. Once live, optimize placements, ad formats and frequency caps, and adjust mediation waterfalls to favor higher eCPM networks. If ads don't appear, check app ads. TXT ownership, confirm ad unit status is active, and update the SDK and adapters. These fixes solve most deployment issues and restore serving quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.